Hi, my name is Enrique
I'm Alejandra.
and today we are unboxing the smart screen kitchen system from Ninja. Okay? So, let's open it up and let's see what's inside.
And let's do it. We got some instructions. Here there's a little, the manual, the instructions in this little baggie. That's the first thing that comes on it. Quick
Then,
assembly. And there's the one for the big blender. And there's also 15 quick, easy recipes. So there's a little booklet for it.
and as soon as you open the top of the box, you're gonna see this looks like some sort of blending accessory.
That,
And
yeah, those are all part of the different types
they're
of.
all parts of it. What would you say this is?
I am not too sure actually.
Well, we're gonna keep unboxing and then let you guys see everything.
That is pretty weird because it has like 0 blades on it. But it is advertised here, if I'm not mistaken. So it's not for the big blender, it's for the shredder one. And the shred. I know what it's for. It's for when you shred. It comes with a disc, if I'm not mistaken, and that's what that's for. That's where the disc goes.
Oh,
So you can shred all the stuff.
alright, so here's the first big piece of equipment, which is the blender itself. And then,
We got the little small blender for like smoothies and more like personal stuff that you can.
and then you open the next layer, and well, I guess before you open the next layer of styrofoam, I believe this is some sort of blade for the chopper. We're gonna
Yes.
open that up. And that's the second piece of styrofoam.
Put them in here.
Get these out of the way. And then the next item is the
That is a shredder. The fruit processor. Sorry. It purees, chops, and shreds.
okay, and then we have the
Top of the blender.
top of the blender. And then we have this, I believe, to be the lid of the
Yeah, for this
smoothie. So that goes with this.
for the smoothie maker or personal blender.
And the last item on the box, which is the base. Now, guess we can sit down so you guys can see our faces. Alright, so
I took that one out of the little box. I think we should get all of them.
get everything out of their bags. We got this.
That was not our cake, that was a random noise.
That out of the bag. We get this out of the bag. Here's more paper stuff. Here is the lid of the blender itself. Now
Got it.
more paper and more bags.
Hurry, hurry.
And then,
This had nothing on it. It's like just the cardboard
yeah.
and the little baggie.
Now, I'd like to say that before we chose this blender, we went to Walmart and they were the same price. This smart screen kitchen system, and that's our baby in the background. They had the same one as this, but it was like a previous version where it had knobs and stuff. So we just thought that this one, since it's touchscreen, it's newer. It also has, I believe, higher watts. I guess it
It's for
makes
more
it,
power, I believe.
yeah, more power. So that's pretty much as far as that goes. Now I guess this already comes set up, right?
Yes, and that little one, I believe, and this one, these three pieces are for this one. This one comes with you gotta press. There's a little arrow here. You probably can't see it, but there's an arrow there and a little lock. What you do is press on the little button on the side of it, and it will release it. So you can pretty much just open it up, and you can change the blade.
Oh, that's where this one comes
That's
into
what
play.
those are for. And what I was saying before, sorry, what I was saying before is that this one was for the shredder. You can shred
Oh, like
and
cheese
yeah, also vegetables. You can do vegetables there. It's a pretty good idea. Pretty good little machine.
cool. Yeah. So this is the lid
Oh,
of.
excuse
Oh, well, sorry about that. Our baby got a little fuzzy, so she's gonna be on camera.
She's gonna be reviewing it too.
She's gonna be reviewing it too. All right, so this, let's see, under this, I believe it goes like this, where you can pour the.
You have to press on. There you go.
Oh, okay.
First of all, you gotta make sure that that thing's up like that. Otherwise, it's not gonna fit.
Yeah, because it's got like a locking mechanism, and it won't even sit in place until this is up.
Yes, and it will also not start blending if you don't do like push it down.
So you push it down, and I believe that puts it in its
In this place.
locked position. Then it has a button here. It says release. You press it, that opens it, and then you can open it. Or I mean, if it's some sort of juice, you can open just this, and then you can just pour your drink without worrying about, I guess, the lid coming off.
Or actually the inside part, because that inside part is not in it. The one with the blades inside of it. If you open it up, all of it. What happened to me last time I used it is that the whole thing came off, and it almost messed up what I was doing. It was a salsa, I believe. I'm not sure, but it almost messed it up. So if you are gonna pour something, it's better to do it like this, with just the little lid that comes on it, not the whole thing. You know?
Yes. And of course, like we mentioned, this is like if you want to make smoothies, just fold it right into the base. You make your smoothie, pull it out, remove the blending mechanism, and then you can just slide on your lid, take it with you on the go, and drink your juice and your
It has a
smoothie.
little, for you to pour it and just take it
drink out of it.
Yeah, take it on the go or.
And I believe if you go to the website, you can find these for like $7 or
That's right.
$13. I don't know, something around there. But it's good to have extras, especially, I mean, if you need to make a second one, one for yourself, one for your wife. I don't know. All right, so that's that.
Here it has some instructions on how to maintain it so it doesn't scratch the screen because it's touch screen. So it shows you just little pictures of how to maintain it and what not to do on it.
Yeah.
Pretty much don't use stuff that would scratch it. Because if it gets scratched, I believe it still works, but you'll have a blender with scratches on it. So, you don't want that.
Yeah, you don't want that. You want to keep it clean. So this is the cover, the demo of the screen. And as you can see, the screen just looks black. But I'm just going to connect it just to show you guys the screen. It looks pretty cool.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright, so I just connected it. It's probably gonna be hard for you guys to notice all the details on the screen here, but I just want to show you how it looks. Like when you see the touchscreen, all you see is the red power button, and you press that.
No, you have to put in one of the.
Oh, one of the attachments.
Yes.
I don't know. She's the one that knows, but let me go ahead.
There you go.
Put it on. I don't want to actually turn it on to blend or anything because
Yes.
the baby gets scared.
It would be loud. I can just take her and you can do it. It's fine.
No, it's fine.
See, after that you get all the features. Yeah, that's why he didn't do it.
Yeah.
That's why he didn't want to do it. He still did it. As you can see, it is
I
touchscreen, so he just touched it and it worked. So
Yeah, I really just wanted.
the screen works. So
Yeah, so right now it's on smoothie, extract, or frozen drink. Apparently, it notices what attachment it has.
oh yes.
So if it has this cup, it notices that you could do one of the three things, and have it in the low, high, or pull setting.
Mm-hmm.
So if I remove this and put the actual blender, goes like just like that, right?
It has to be a certain way as well, like that. It goes sideways first, and then it locks itself once you flip it, like that. You see how it's sideways? I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has to go sideways, and then you flip it completely so it can go on the same square there.
Yeah, so now that it has this attachment, it shows other settings. So I mean, just that I'd show you guys, thought that we'd show you how, like, once it's on, it shows you the different options, and it looks nice and clean.
It also has, oh I'm sorry, it also has a setting for low, medium, or high. And it's really helpful because if you don't want something, like for instance, if you're making a salsa that you don't want to puree or to,
With more texture.
Yeah, if you want it with more texture, you can put it on the low setting, and also it gives you like creamy, pure, it gives you all those options. And it does help a lot because the stuff you make comes out however you want it,
Yeah.
Compared to others that just have like, to me, it's really different because the other ones I put it on whichever setting and it was like the same thing, they all blended the same.
Something I wanted to mention is that I know we keep saying that like it sounds like we've used it and we're not just unboxing it for the first time, and that is the case. We had this exact same one, but we had to get it replaced. A piece of the plastic was broken, but other than that, it worked great. And I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, it is a really cool blender, and the features that come with it, like the little smoothie blender, the personal blender, it's pretty awesome for like my kid in the morning. I just want to make her a quick breakfast. Sorry about that. A shake or something, and just make it there, and I can just switch the cap, and it's super easy for her just to drink it out of there. And to shred stuff also, that's pretty cool. You can make a bunch of stuff on it,
Yeah, so we just thought we'd open it up, just show you what's in the package. I mean, if we had to rate it 1 out of 5 stars, we'd probably give it 5 stars. It works great.
Yeah. It's pretty loud though. It's really loud. That's the only bad thing about it. It's loud. If you don't have kids that get scared like this little one, that's why it's loud, because it has a bunch of power on it. And I usually just take her to the room and blend whatever I have to blend, bring her back, But yeah, it is loud. That's the only downside to it, I suppose.
I guess right now that's the only issue.
Yeah.
Since the baby gets scared, we gotta take her to the room while we blend whatever we need to blend. But yeah, this blender works great. We're gonna try to see if we make some more videos just showing you different things that you could do, like maybe some salsas, maybe some smoothies, just so you can kind of see the different things that you can do. But we've used it for a number of things and it works great.
I've even I want to try it because I haven't tried it yet, but I want to see for the food processor one. I know there's a like a type of cookie that I've been wanting to make, and it's like the recipe is asking for a blender, but one of those it looks just like it. So I'm pretty sure it's one of those. I'm gonna try to do that. You know, it's a pretty easy recipe for cookies. You know, you can do it for your kids and doesn't have that much sugar on it and stuff. You know.
All right, so that's the end of the video. I hope you understood everything that we showed you that's in the box. That's pretty much everything that's in the box. And hopefully it helps you with your buying decision when you're looking at blenders. We personally like this one. We are going to put a link below for Amazon. So if you did like it, you can help support the channel by clicking on that link and buying it from there. So thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget
Thank
to
you.
like and subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's
Thank
our
you.
other little girl. Bye.
Bye.